Today we'll be taking a closer look at the Rekluse automatic clutch. We'll be talking about what it does and some situations where it might come in handy. It essentially eliminates the need to use the clutch lever, and it engages automatically as you apply throttle. That also means that it'll disengage automatically when you come to a stop, eliminating again the need to pull in the clutch lever. Another aspect of the Rekluse clutch that we really like is that it serves as an anti-stall mechanism. This really lets beginner to intermediate riders push their comfort zone and try a little bit gnarlier stuff without worrying about stalling the bike. This is especially helpful when they're going uphill and the clutch is engaging and disengaging automatically. This eliminates the need for the beginner rider to have to worry about feathering the clutch and allows the rider to focus on the obstacles at hand. Now, the anti-stall feature of the Rekluse clutch also includes when the rear wheel is locked up. And we all know how fun it is to slide a bike into a corner with the rear wheel locked up and floor it out. The Rekluse allows the rider to do that without ever touching the clutch lever and without ever worrying about stalling. Something I think every single rider who hops on a bike with a Rekluse automatic clutch will notice, from the first time to the last time that you mash that gas without having to touch the clutch lever, you'll notice you'll be getting off the line and out of the hole with serious consistency. Well, that's my 2 cents on the Rekluse automatic clutch. If you're still watching and found any of this information helpful, hit like, or give us a like, or I don't know how you'd say that.